Hello traders, today we're gonna talk about how to trade with trend lines and chart patterns. So let's get started. Here you can see that price was making higher highs and higher lows, but after those structure highs and lows, price was declining. As you can see that price broke the trend line and going down. So now we will look how it works or how it perform right now. You can see that price made this structure lows. I am identifying them with trend lines and those structure lower highs. I will wait for a breakout to the upside because initially price is in uptrend. You can see that price is in uptrend. So this pattern will work for us as a continuation pattern. Price is just performing under this, so let's just wait right now for a breakout. Here price broke out from the pattern, so I will enter a buy on the breakout. You can wait for a retest, but I am entering with breakout because it looks good to me. As you can see, price made a retest here from this structure. Price made a retest, so on this view you can just simply control your risk more aggressively, and it's good to trade with this structure retest. Let's see how it goes. Made another retest and price is going to our profit target. I will put my stop loss, trailing stop loss just above this high, and price hit my stop loss. So you can see that I traded this trend line pattern with an easy concept, just a breakout and retest. So it is very easy to trade. Let's see if we can get another setup or not. Here as you can see, price made an head and shoulder pattern, but in today's video I am only showing you how to trade with trend lines. So now price made this structured lows and structured lower highs, another same type of pattern. Let's see how it goes. Here as you can see, there is a smaller pattern also, if you can see that, and it break out very clearly. So I am entering a short trade on here with stop just in the middle of the pattern. As you can see, it works very perfectly and it hit our target just like an easy thing. Your price is going further down. In particular this setup, my first trade was got stopped out at here, but I entered another trade on this retest candle with a very good clear bullish bearish engulfing candle. I entered on this with stop just above this candle, and it's running very beautifully. So I traded 3 trades, 1 stop loss and 2 take profits. Price hit our profit target. Let's wait for some another trade setup. For this video I am only trading with hourly time frame. Price is going up. And as you can see that we have this bigger pattern also, which was a breakout of this. Price breakout from this pattern and made a retest of this level. So I am entering a buy order from this retest candle. We stop just below this level. Price is just ranging right now, and it hit our second stop loss. So 5 trades, 4 trades, 2 stop loss, 2 take profit. But as you can see, if someone had more, let's say 20 pips stop loss, wait a minute, 20, 22, then it will be running in profits. So we can say that, let's say all of 3, let's say we took 5 trades, 3 won and 2 trades lost, we still be running in very good amount of profits. Yeah, price is now making higher highs and higher lows. And now price is missed. I am deleting these patterns now for a clear view. Price made this particular type of pattern, and here also a smaller pattern. You can see that it is very clear. So I am entering a short on the breakout with a stop loss of 25 pips. So all of my trades would be running if I use same type of risk. Here price is running very beautifully. Price is consolidating right now and making a pattern, making a very good pattern for another scaling. Let's wait for a breakout. Here you can say that the price made this breakout, but it was a false breakout. Now price break out from this trend line and made this retest, so I am entering on the retrace and stop loss of 25 pips, and price is moving down. We didn't close our first trade, which is running very beautifully, more than 150 pips. Here we got stopped out on this trade. One was in 60 pips profit and one is 165 pips in profit. Let's wait for another chart pattern with using of trend lines. I am removing those trend lines for a clear view. It's a key factor to always make your chart clean, to look what is price doing. Price will tell us everything what we need to do. Not a clear structure right now. There is a bigger pattern on 4-hour time frame, but for this video I am only using hourly time frame, so I am not entering with this trade. Here price made a good structure for a short entry. We can enter on the breakout. And book in some profits with 25 pips in stop loss. Here we booked our profit. Price is just consolidating. Another beautiful trade. Now price is making this type of pattern. A wedge pattern. Let's wait for a breakout to enter this trade. Price is still in this pattern. Here we got the clear breakout, and now we are entering a buy trade. As you can see, price is moving very beautifully. With a 25 pips of stop loss, price is running very beautifully. Let's see how further it goes. Oops. Price made 100 pip, more than 100 pip move and retraced back to the zone. As you can see, if we didn't move our stop loss, we would have more profits, but for securing our profits, I got stopped out from this point, banking 70 pips in profit. So guys, you can see that how you can make easy profit with trend lines, but you need to know how to use them. Always use your trend line with structure, higher highs and higher lows, and lower lows and higher lows. You can see that these are higher highs, lower highs, and those are lower lows, but you can clearly see that it is a very beautiful type of pattern you can trade. You need to know which low to use. You can basically see your performance in a good way when you backtest it. So when using trend line, always backtest as much as can for your own good.